Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Best Life Therapist YouTube channel. I'm Tom, and today we're looking at how to create a positive affirmation. Creating a positive affirmation involves crafting a statement that is uplifting, empowering, and tailored to your personal goals and challenges. Here's a step-by-step guide to create your own positive affirmation. Firstly, you need to identify a specific goal or challenge. To do this, you can think about an area of your life that you'd like to see improvement in, or where you face difficulty. This could be related to self-esteem, relationships, career, health, or any other aspect of your life. Next, you need to frame this in a positive manner. Instead of focusing on what you lack or what you want to change, frame your affirmation in a positive light. For example, if your goal is to improve self-confidence, rather than saying, "I am not insecure," say, "I am confident and capable." Next, you need to use present tense. Affirmations are most effective when phrased in the present tense, if the desired outcome has already been achieved. This helps reinforce a sense of belief and immediacy. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." Next, you need to keep it concise and clear. Your affirmation should be short, simple, and easy to remember. Avoid using negative words or phrases, as these can undermine the positive intentions of the affirmation. Next, you need to make sure that you make it personal. Tailor your affirmation to reflect your individual experiences, strengths, and values. Use language that resonates with you personally and makes you feel authentic. Add emotion and visualization. As you repeat your affirmation, try to invoke the feeling or emotion associated with achieving your goal. Visualize yourself already experiencing the desired outcome, and let the sense of positivity and confidence fill you up. Finally, you need to repeat your affirmation regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. Repeat your affirmation daily, ideally multiple times a day throughout the day, to reinforce the positive message and to rewire your subconscious mind. I will give you an example of an affirmation. That could be something like, "I am worthy of love and respect. I embrace challenge as an opportunity for growth. I trust in my ability to overcome obstacles. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. And I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams." Remember, positive affirmations are just one tool in your toolbox for personal growth and self-development. Combine consistent action and a supportive mindset. These can help you cultivate a more positive and empowered outlook on life. And for other mental health tips and other ways to improve self-confidence and many other aspects of your mental health, please take a look at my other videos, and remember to like and subscribe.